Okay, welcome to our pre-market coverage of October the 6th, 2020. Right now you are looking at the Russell 2000 futures, and since 12:14 UK time, it has continued to trend up and up and up and up. It is just of recent, just a few seconds ago, that it started to correct below the currently trading at below the 20-day trend line. That's the 20-day, that's the 10-day, 20-day, and the 50-day. So you can see it has a run up from 15,000, 1,580 something, 1,581, and currently now it's at 1,588. It's just gradually trying to correct now. So let's see what's going on in the pre-market. Nothing is nothing. We haven't seen the specific equities that are making the rounds that are trending upwards. And but we have this report that says that the U.S. stock index futures were subdued on Tuesday, which is today, as investors booked profits after a rally that sent the S&P 500 and the Dow to their highest levels in more than 2 weeks. While awaiting signs, Washington was close to agreeing on more nuclear fiscal stimulus. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi and Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin spoke on phone on Monday about fresh relief measures, and we're preparing to talk about stock again on Tuesday. Comments from officials that the deal was still possible had lifted Wall Street's main indexes in the previous session, helping them recoup losses from last week that were sparked by news that President Donald Trump had contracted COVID-19. Trump returned to the White House on Monday from the Walter Reed Medical Center military hospital, but faced backlash for removing his mask upon his return and urging Americans not to fear the disease, and that has killed more than 209,000 people in the United States. Okay. We'll try and see if we can find any news at the moment. So the Russell 2000 futures is just consolidating at around 1,588, spiking up to 1,589 now. So there might be a huge, a huge uptick as well, further uptick when the market opens, but we don't know. Yesterday it was like this. It was trending upwards, and once the market opened, it spiked seriously. So the fingers crossed. So, but the Nasdaq 100 futures is slightly down. It's currently at 11,453.12 as we record this video. We just want to see whether we can bring to you any specific news. Okay, I think we have some of them here, but they're somewhat mixed. Pfizer is up 1.4% after announcing the initiation of a rolling submission to the European Medicines Agency for the COVID-19 vaccine candidate. BioNTech is up 8.9%, is a part of the collaboration. Costco is up 1% after the stock was upgraded to overweight from equal weight at Barclays. Alteryx is up 23.3% after naming new CEO and issuing upside revenue guidance for Q3. Wingstop is up 1.8% after reporting domestic same-store sales for Q3, which increased 25.4%. So let's see if we can dive in and have a look at some of these ones. BioNTech. That would be BNTX. Let's open it in another window so we don't lose. BNTX. So this is the summary page. It's a mid-cap company. Market capitalization is 19.2 billion. It's just submitted this disclosure, hence the news we have on with the SEC. So this is the link to the disclosure, and okay, let's open it. Okay, reporting of foreign private issuer pursuant to Rule 13A-16. BioNTech and Pfizer initiate rolling submission of European Medicines Agency for SARS-CoV-2 vaccine candidate BNT162b2. Okay, so this is the disclosure, and we will include it in the. You will find it in the description box below. Okay, we'll try and find out what people are saying. Okay, BioNTech is German-based clinical stage biotechnology company. Okay, so we'll see what people are saying here on stock tweets. No, we got that wrong. BNTX, not TK. Okay, it's up in the pre-market 9.05%. Okay, let's see what this guy is saying. And don't tell the wife, but I added more shares yesterday after raising some dollars by trading my initial Moderna and Novavax positions, now holding nearly 2.2k shares of this. Wished it was more, not including call options. Cost basis around $56, because as 2 days news out of Europe suggests further confidence that Pfizer and BioNTech data will most likely turn out well. In other words, priming the system for quick approval once a readout of the P3 data is made, and depending on the politics, it may also indicate the vaccine receives final approval / authorization in Europe sooner than in the US, but we'll see. Okay, so BNTX is up 9.05% in the pre-market. Okay, so okay, oh yes, we see the equities that are trending now. Okay, so we just had some distraction there now. So let's see whether we can pick up the other interesting one. Okay, the other one is AYX. Alteryx, AYX. Alteryx. Alteryx. Let's see what's going on. Okay, yes, it's up 24.5%. Let's look at it. It's up 24.5%, 24.57%. What are they saying? Shorts got caught with their pants down. Ha ha ha. Now selling at my 275 shares at $111. Hope everything gonna be right in here. Gonna keep it up my watch list. Wow, this market is really impressive for me. Nice move bulls. Life is a long table full of great choices, so select bulls to share moments with. Okay. Okay. So we've got more Alteryx, and I think those are the two most interesting ones there. So we'll come back here and see. This is the most talked about IPOC. Let's see. It's only up 1.58%. Social Capital, Apple, Hido, Sophia Holdings, Corp 3. Okay, it's up 1.58%. Similar reaction happened with Open Door, and then it just took off. Let the profit takers get out of minimal gains. Okay, so I don't see more. There might be indeed more. This is LTHM. Okay, so the Russell 2000 index in the futures is progressing further. It's currently at 1,591. So if you didn't know, the Russell 2000 index is the index of the least capitalized stocks in the Russell 3000. So the most capitalized stock in this index is worth about $5.8 billion, and I think the least is about $1.2 billion. So this is the index of the small and micro caps. So they represent America better than the blue chip and the tech indexes, and they do indeed also reflect the American economy better than the S&P 500. That is popularly known as the broader market indicator. But if you're talking about Main Street, this is more of it. This is more of Main Street. The S&P, the Russell 2K is closer to Main Street than the Russell 30,000, the S&P 500. Yeah. So let's see what's going on here. And this is Livent. We covered Livent yesterday, and it's up 18.18% in the pre-market. No, sorry. It's up 6.82% in the pre-market. Time for profit taking. Livent, I think, is probably a LTHM. Let's see. Livent. Okay, chemicals. Small cap notable movers of interest. Piedmont Lithium leads lithium stocks. Okay, yeah, so they're involved in is a lithium company. The company is focused on producing performance lithium compounds. Its primary products include battery grade lithium hydroxide, both lithium and high purity lithium metal. It produces lithium compounds for use in applications that have specific performance requirements, including battery grade lithium hydroxide for use in high performance lithium ion batteries. The company also supplies lithium, lithium, which is used as a synthesizer in the production of polymers and pharmaceutical products. It also supplies a range of specialty lithium compounds, including high purity lithium metal, which is used in the production of lightweight materials for aerospace applications and rechargeable batteries. Okay, this is the much we can cover at the moment. So before we sign out, Russell 2000 index is currently up about 10 points since the last 1 hour, as we since we I mean since last 1 hour before this before this point you can see there's here it's 1,851. It's currently at 1,591. So it is since the last hour while we were on this, in reference to our time here while while we are making this video. Okay. So be on the lookout. Something's gonna happen. We don't know for sure. So watch. Watch the Russell 2000 index. It could be the rotation. Money could be moving away from elsewhere. People are speculating it's moving away from the treasuries and probably making its way to the Russell 2000 index, or rather the equities in the Russell 2000 index. Okay, thank you again. If you're new to this channel, subscribe, like and share. Subscribe, like and share. Subscribe, like and share. Thank you.